So let me start by joining Professor Sahasrabudhe in congratulating all of the students who are graduating. Again, I mean, it's a great time to be a data scientist or a cybersecurity professional. I mean, we have seen with the growing computational power and the availability of data in digital form, we have seen now data science really impacting every industry, every aspect of how the world is being run. So you have, and likewise, as the everything becomes kind of digital, we've also seen all these cybersecurity attacks. So I think all of you who have picked up the cybersecurity skills, you have a very vital role to play. So let me again start by while congratulating you as you graduate. My first message to you would be that your learning journey must never stop. So while you are graduating, as you know, technology keeps evolving, has been evolving now at a very fast pace. It is very important for you to be successful, right? To continue learning throughout your life. So one benefit that you have from again the widespread use of disciplines like data science, cybersecurity, is that you are now able to. I mean, when you are passionate about certain cause in society, now you can even pursue your passion through these technical disciplines like data science. So if you are already passionate about some cause, be it could be healthcare, it could be education, it could be transportation, it could be, I mean, any aspect, right, about the world, you can make a real difference through the skills that you have acquired. So I would, if you are already passionate about one of these causes, I will say start by maybe dedicating the next 5 years of your life to pursuing that passion. And in the course of that, keep learning. And even if you haven't yet identified, sometimes it takes time before we identified, okay, this is what I really want to do in my life. My suggestion would be go and pursue a job or a venture where you are constantly learning. I mean, it is much more important, right? Learning will give you far greater value down the road than simply whatever, a little bit of extra money. So go and take up a job where you're going to learn the most. Uh, the second message from me would be kind of on strategic risk taking. So here I would say, I mean, every once in a while, and right now is a good time when you're graduating, and every once in a while, every few years, sometimes because we get caught up, right, in kind of what's coming next and so on, it's always good to step back and think about what you want to accomplish out of your life, out of your career. So it's always good to take once in a while a long-term view of your life and your career. And in that long-term view, one suggestion that I have is it's very important to take strategic risks. Don't always play it safe and go for the simple tasks that you know you will be able to accomplish. Uh, every once in a while, work on something very ambitious, something that you care about, something that maybe the world thinks is impossible. Maybe you also think it's impossible, or maybe it's not impossible, but you think it's beyond your capabilities. Go and pursue those impossible sounding objectives, work hard towards them, uh, continue learning, and work on these impossible sounding objectives. Because if you succeed in any of these challenging kind of missions that you set for yourselves, you end up at a much higher place than where you end up by a series of kind of successes, right, at very not so challenging tasks. Because even if you fail multiple times, uh, succeeding even once in a highly ambitious goal is takes you much further in your life, in your career, in your own sense of accomplishment than a whole series of incremental advances, right? That are easy to come up with. Uh, my third message to you would be uh, abide by your human values. We have seen again technology become so powerful that technology can be used, right? You are all kind of gaining this deep expertise in technology. And through again, this expertise in data science, in cybersecurity, all of this expertise can be utilized to really make life better for many, many humans on the earth, or it can be used to hurt humans. Uh, so so do stick to your values. And what I would say is it's not just good for yourself. I mean, if you are known as the person, right, that always does the right thing, you're going to attract many more good people who would want to work with you, who would want to follow you, who would want you as the leader. So, so it is very important not to lose sight of our human values and all of the human aspects as we start applying our technology towards the benefit, right? I mean, and there are amazing opportunities. So with that, let me again stop and kind of congratulate all of you. And I look forward to again all of you pursuing your own dreams, your own journeys, and making this whole team at Aegis proud of again the part that they played in your journey. And again, I will also echo Professor Sahasrabuddhe's thoughts. As you gain success in your life, please do take the time to again give back to others, especially the younger people. Remember kind of maybe this day in your life, right? When you were starting out in your journey, when you become successful, do give back to the students who are maybe at Aegis and students who are at various schools, and do give back to them. So with that, again, congratulations and wishing you a great deal of success in your life, in your careers. Thank you.